everyone, my name is Arpita and I am a computer science and engineering student at ITM Skills University. I recently completed my 6-month internship at Engage, where I was a UI UX design intern. During my internship, I extensively worked on UI UX using Figma. I also contributed in icon designing, landing page visuals, and logo variants making. Additionally, I also contributed in user journey testing, bug fixing by collaborating with the developers for the fixes. The concepts which I learned at college, like software engineering fundamentals, web technologies, and hands-on experience on Figma, helped me to work effectively in the real product environment. I would sincerely like to thank ITM Skills University, School of FutureTech, for providing me such a valuable internship opportunity.